Hello, greetings. Welcome, my friend, my follower, my customer in GMG Detectors, Germany. We have very special device, the long-range locator for gold. And we can operate the device for other material like silver, like bronze, like caves, or platinum, or diamond. This device is working with the frequency system, the long range locator. Everybody know how the frequency system working by Dowsing route with the antenna. So what is special in this device is we can connect the device with a smartwatch, so we can see the signal in the watch with the 3 dimension. Okay, so we will be sure if the device catch a signal, we will see this signal live by the watch. Okay, and this watch it's over with the device, it's not must working with the device. This is the full package come with the smartwatch, but the only you can buy the only device frequency system, the only device without the watch. It's dependent of the customer, you know. So we have here gold and silver, and we will do, I will show you first the device, and then we will make small test to see how the device detect the gold without the smartwatch, and later we will make also one more test to see how the device located the gold with the smartwatch, and we see the signal in the smartwatch. Now we open the device. This device is model 2025. So this the main unit is the device. Okay, it's a long range locator like all long range in the world for the gold. And here is the charge for the device. And we have also this one is the smartwatch. The smartwatch is a choice to buy it with the device. Okay, you must not work. It can work without the watch, or you can buy the watch to support the device. For example, for the new user or the new customer, they use a first time long range locator, maybe it's the best to use the smartwatch. Anyway, now we will start do a test for the gold. Here we have a box for the gold, and here we have a box for silver. Okay, now we have here the charge. Okay, and this is the switch device, the power device, and here is the light. And here we have 3 keys. The first key, now we make it close first. Now this the device, this is the sensitivity key for frequency. Okay, so every material have a frequency. For example, the gold is 504.7. So we will put it here, the first frequency in the 5, the high. This is the high frequency. This button is the high frequency, and this button is the low frequency. So we put it in the 50, it's 5, and then we put the next switch in, or the key in the 70. So it's 504.7. Okay, so 504, we move it a little bit for middle 50. So 550, and here we have the power key. This is the power. We can make the signal more strong or a little strong, and at the same time this is filtration key. And we have here the 3 antenna. So we open the antenna, and the light, it's supporting the signal. So when the light is moving very fast, so it's detect a signal, and when the light it's moving slowly, so the device is searching. Now we start test. Okay, So first we open the device. Everybody know all the locator you must do touching the devices or the antenna and the ground like this, and you move your hand full and you bring it back with your shoulder, and we start test the device. We put the device in the different way of the gold. We will see the device moving to the gold. Okay, if we go to this way, the device will go again to the gold. Or if we go to this way, the device will go back to the gold. And if we are up to the gold, the device will moving. Okay, the device is will moving. So, and we can prove how the device is moving for the gold like that. If we dashing the root, if we dashing the antenna here, the antenna will still dashing. Okay, if we dashing the antenna up to the gold, for example, the antenna will stop. Why? Because the antenna is connecting with the gold, so it's very heavy to moving, very heavy. If you put it other way, and dashing, the device will dashing no problem. But up to the gold, if you dashing the device, it's very difficult to dashing. You can feel like a magnetic between the antenna and the device, and you can feel the device is a little heavy if you go it up to the gold. The antenna is very heavy. It's not dashing very fast. If we go another way, we will see the antenna dashing. Okay? If we come to the gold, the antenna will test, not moving too much. So, look, the devices have very strong sensitivity for the gold. Very strong.